Do you know many people are having trouble with the red LED on their dehumidifiers? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check water tank. Check the water tank and ensure it is not full. Empty it if necessary and replace the tank correctly. Step 2. Verify temperature. Verify the room temperature is within the range of 532 C. Step 3. Ensure airflow. Ensure the dehumidifier is not obstructed and air can flow freely. Step 4. Ensure stability. Make sure the unit is placed on a stable, flat surface to avoid performance issues. Step 5. Reset the unit. Unplug the dehumidifier for a few minutes, then plug it back in to reset. After following these steps, your dehumidifier should be back to normal operation. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Black & Decker users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.